ways to lock iPhones without buttons. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and move into accessibility. In the section of physical and motor, you will see the option of touch. You need to click on it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Click on double tap at the top of the screen. Instead of screenshot, you have to select lock screen. Once you have selected lock screen, now whenever you back tap 2 times on a device, your device will be locked automatically and you don't have to use any buttons. Or else what you can do is, once again move into touch and click on Assistive Touch. Enable this option. This Assistive Touch will be available to you. All you gotta do is click on the Assistive Touch and then click on device. You can see the option of lock screen, tap on it, and then your device will be locked. So these are some of the 2 ways in order for you to lock the screen without the buttons on iPhone. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.